speak Arabic, my friend will speak Urdu. English, no problem, okay? And Tariq will speak with me, inshallah. I will give you, inshallah, 3 minutes, 5 minutes to help you to safety for a car. Somebody have license here? Who's have license? MashaAllah. Somebody have fine this year? Have this fine? Too much, huh? زين اوكي. اليوم احنا جايين من القيادة العامة. I will speak Arabic first. After we speak Urdu. My friend Shahab to tell you what I speak to 2 minutes 3 minutes. Okay? Done? Okay. معاكم الرائد أحمد المهيري من القيادة العامة لشرطة أبو ظبي، والمساعد أخوي طارق حميدان من القيادة العامة لشرطة أبو ظبي. اليوم القيادة العامة لشرطة أبو ظبي تسعى لتثقيف الجمهور أو تثقيف السائقين بالسلامة المرورية. طبعا احنا مشاكل في السلامة المرورية. Every time somebody have too much fine every time use the phone. مشكلة استخدام الهاتف المتحرك phone, you know? Phone. How much the fine? Not 800, not 1,000, not 100,000. All wrong. Why? You know the phone, mobile, is too much a problem. Maybe your fine 100,000, 200,000, maybe 1 million dirham. Why I speak like this? Because somebody die in the street. ممكن في حالة وفاة في الطريق. ممكن في خطر على السائقين على مستخدمين الطريق الآخرين. فلازم أنتم تلتزمون بقواعد السير المرور. أخطر مخالفة مرورية is dangerous for the drivers, the phone. The phone is too much مشكلة, too much problem for the drivers. Okay, done? Okay. Next, يلا تفضل.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First of all, Major Ahmed, we are thankful to you for having you here with us. हमने इनसे रिक्वेस्ट की और इन्होंने बड़ी खुशदिली से हमारी रिक्वेस्ट कबूल की है। हमारे कल्चर कारवान के साथ, फन बाज़ार के साथ हिस्सा बने। इन्होंने अपना लोगो हमें दिया कि जी हम इस प्रोग्राम का हिस्सा बनने के लिए तैयार हैं। बेसिकली जो मेरी इनसे बात हुई, बढ़ते हुए जो ट्रैफिक हादसात हैं इमारात में, और बदकिस्मती से जो इनके ब्रिगेडियर साहब ने और मेजर अहमद ने मुझे बताया कि इसमें पाकिस्तानी और इंडियन माशाल्लाह बहुत आगे हैं, तो मुखालफों में भी और एक्सीडेंट्स में भी। तो उस हवाले से ये लोग हर जगह जा रहे हैं, तो इन्होंने आपके पास भी आए कि आज ये लोग आपसे बात करते हैं कि कैसे आप लोग अपने फ़ाइन्स को कम करें और कैसे एक्सीडेंट्स पे कंट्रोल पाया जा सकता है। इसी हवाले से ये लोग आए हैं और आपसे बात कर रहे हैं।
شكرا my brother. So في one مخالفة too much problem. إذا طريق داخل طريق you have the street your car is stop, تعطلت السيارة، شو الإجراءات؟ إذا السيارة في الطريق تعطلت، اختربت السيارة، أول إجراء الوقوف على كتف الطريق الأيمن في أقرب موقف آمن. النقطة الثانية الاتصال بغرفة العمليات 999. ممنوع أنك أنت تتعطل مركبتك وتكون في نص الطريق وتتوصل على غرفة العمليات. لازم تكون مركبة برا وتتواصل مع غرفة العمليات. ممنوع تبدل إطار التاير والشرطة مش موجودين.
इनका जो सबसे एक बड़ा कंसर्न है, जो मेरी इनसे बात हुई थी कि अभी पिछले महीने 4 पाकिस्तानी इसी तरह मर गए हैं और उनका एक्सीडेंट हुए हैं कि जब गाड़ी आपकी ख़राब होती है, हमारे भाई लोग उधर ही टायर बदलना शुरू करते, पीछे से 4 गाड़ियों को उड़ा के दूसरी गाड़ी उड़ा गए और वो चारों मर गए। तो ये कह रहे हैं कि इसका सबसे पहले है कि आप जो नियर बाई पार्किंग है साइड पर पहले गाड़ी कर लें। कभी भी रोड पे गाड़ी खड़ी करके उसको ना टायर चेंज करें ना दूसरा काम करें। सबसे पहला काम आप करें जो नियर बाई वो लेन, उसके अगर शोल्डर भी है पार्किंग ढूंढे, पब्लिक पार्किंग, अगर वो नहीं है तो साइड पे कर लें, मेन हाईवे से आप निकल जाएं और बग़ैर कुछ किए आप पहले 999 पे फ़ोन करें अमलियात को, और अमलियात से अपनी हेल्प लाइन पर उनसे हेल्प मांगे, बजाय कि आप स्टपनी निकाल लें, जिसका इनके ऑफिस में मुझे इन्होंने बताया कि पिछले 1.5 महीने में वह बदकिस्मती से 4 पाकिस्तानी जान गंवा चुके।
زين done okay done okay. for the المشاة عبور المشاة where you can, if you go to outside, you want to go to supermarket, you want to go to shop, where you use the street Zebra cross. Why zebra cross? For safety. You know, too much people is die because he not use the zebra cross. Somebody not use the zebra cross? Huh? Somebody? Zebra cross will help you.
को यूज कर रहा है? They are using.
Using, alhamdulillah, because he help you to safety your life. Why I come today to give you this? I need to see your face is very happy. I come today here to help you, to help your life. Okay, thank you. So, best put your every time put your things to safety. If you think for the fine, how much? 500, 1,000, 2,000. That's not safety. Save your life after you can straight good. You know? حافظ على سلامتك أهم شيء ولا تفكر بالقيمة المالية.
मेजर साहब यही कह रहे हैं कि पैसा कुछ नहीं होता, पहले आपकी जान है जो सबसे कीमती है. और जब आप ट्रैफिक लॉस की फॉलो करते हैं उनको, तो सबसे पहले जो सिक्योरिटी है वो जान की है. पहले आप अपने जान को बचा लें, उसके बारे में पैसे की सोचें. पैसा कुछ नहीं होता, अगर आप ही ना रहे तो पैसे का आप क्या करेंगे. तो कहते मैं जो आज आया हूँ कि मैं आप लोगों को खुश देखना चाहता हूँ, आप लोगों के चेहरों पे हंसी हो, और अगर उसके लिए आप लोग, मैं भी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और आप लोग ये कोशिश करें कि ट्रैफिक रूल्स की ओबीडियंस करें और उसको फॉलो करें.
زين. you know وايد طلاب أطفال يلعبون في الشارع. شو الأسباب؟ ممنوع على الطفل أنه يلعب في الشارع. Too much people, kids, play in the street. Somebody have kids play in the street? Where the kids play? In the farm, in the house, in the club, صح؟ بس why too much in Abu Dhabi like this? He play outside.
ये तीसरा जो एक इम्पोर्टेंट इशू है कि बच्चे सड़कों पे और गलियों में खेलते हैं. बोलते हैं कि बच्चे या पार्क में खेलें या घर में खेलें या क्लब्स में खेलें, लेकिन अबू धाबी में अनफॉर्चुनेटली काफ़ी जगहों पे देखा जाता है कि बच्चे जो हैं वो गलियों में खेलते हैं, गाड़ियाँ चलती हैं और उससे बहुत नुकसान होता है.
اوكي شكرا الرائد احمد جزاك الله خير. السلام عليكم. My name is Tariq Hamidan for Abu Dhabi Police Traffic Department Fine Section. You like fine? Why? Nobody like fine. Major Ahmed, thank you for Major Ahmed. He explained about important fine. But I have important than fine. I want to give information. Always I give information for kids. Why? Because sometimes if you make fine or use phone, your kids, if he see you, he tell for you, my father, don't use phone. Maybe in your heart, you feel bad or you feel very hard thing than fine. I like explain for children better than father, parents. And now I want father and kids. Who can come to here?
Father and kids
One.
कोई एक फैमिली हो, बच्चा और वालिद
Family,
और
यल्ला.
बेटा, कोई है जो इस वक्त बैठे हो अपने
Oh,
बेटे
يلا
के साथ?
come.
प्लीज कम.
Okay. هذا يا هذا.
تعال بي. تعال الواحد ما اثنين.
يلا I give you a police gift I have in my car. يلا come. You know happiness petrol? Happiness petrol. What do you do with this happiness petrol? You know what work for happiness petrol car? He give gift for whose driver safety or drive safety. Assalamu alaikum. What's your name?
Abdullah.
Abdullah. Abu Abdullah.
محمد عدنان.
Abu Abdullah. Okay. Okay. Abdullah, you want gift?
Yeah.
Okay, I give you a gift if you tell for me true what happened today, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, when you come today with your father, he didn't use seat belt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. خلاص. Now I get one fine, okay? No, don't talk with him, Abu Abdullah. Abdullah, it's my friend. See? What I want, take my gift, I take for kids. Like this, I like the kids. And when he come today, he use phone, right?
Yeah.
Too fine. Okay, now I want for you tell me something. I give you for your father fine and I give you a gift, okay?
Okay.
خلاص عبد الله. I give you fine. Okay, I want to help him this time. You give him warning and I don't give him fine and I give you a gift. You can give him some warning. Tell for him, father, because I love you or I like you, don't use phone when you drive. Tell for him like that.
When when he drive, so he should not see mobile.
Yeah, tell for him.
When you are driving, so you should not see mobile.
See, like this, he get warning. Nice warning. Thank you, Abdullah. When you go outside now, come to my police car, I give you a gift, okay? Thank you, Abdullah. Thank you, Abu Abdullah. Next time I give you fine, huh? Like this, warning, see. Thank you, Abu Abdullah. Maybe Abu Abdullah, why me? But I like kids. He give me true thing. Maybe Abu Abdullah, he know where is police car. Maybe no have camera, he use phone direct. He don't use seat belt. This important thing. Seat belt for who? For police or for driver? For driver. If parents, he didn't use seat belt, kids, he didn't use seat belt, right? Because he learned for father or mother. Like this, you must learn your kids about right thing. Because nobody, he like for any family, he has small damage, right? Take care about yourself and about your kids. Don't let him play any place. If he have a scooter or cycle, let him wearing safety things also. And it's everything what I want to say. It's I think I want more than 2 hours, 3 hours. I lost your time. But Major Ahmed, mashallah, he took important fine for you. Now I give him microphone. Thank you for all of you.
Before I am finished, I need some 5 guy to come to. I have some question. حد يقدر يحضر هني على المسرح 5 أشخاص.
5 बंदे आ जाएं जो आना चाहते हैं कुछ क्वेश्चन आ जाएं जी एक्स्ट्रा राय करें 5 बंदे आ जाएं एक और
نو ليدي هناك زين يلا تعال تفضل
कहते कोई औरत नहीं आ रही सारे मर्द ही आ गए
Okay. I have some question, okay? What's one fine? It's too much dangerous. Too much dangerous. One fine. Give me. We'll start here, huh?
Mobile phone.
Mobile fine, صح. That's true. Okay? Mobile fine. صف قول. Mobile fine. Thank you. How much the fine for the mobile?
Last time I got 804 black points.
Before I start the speak, what I ask, if you tell me the truth.
Sorry,
Not 800.
it was last year, but it was 804 black points.
Okay, but before somebody have, okay, you know what I speak, yeah? Okay.
Sorry, I didn't understand what are you asking now.
The fine is 800, but I might think not 800. Tell me why. More.
It is more about the safety, okay? Financially, it's 800, okay? But if we are talking about the real damage, or which can cause like risk to our life, that is much higher, that you cannot calculate, okay? But financially, it was 800.
Good, Sabgola. Thank you. Okay. How much the fine for the, if you not put the seat belt, how much the fine?
200?
No.
400?
400, صح, true. Thank you. Good, alhamdulillah. هو غشش. زين. عندك طارق.
Okay, you have kids?
The question first.
Okay, you have kids? I give you easy
पहले
question.
से सिफारिश कर दी आसान सवाल पूछे
What age for kids he can stay front side?
No kid can stay in the.
No, he can.
Okay. 18.
Alhamdulillah, it's not for police. He stopped. No kids. Kids until 17, you can't say this kids. Okay?
15, 13.
It's what? It's Mazad?
Okay. No, I don't know.
You don't know? لا مش 13. مين يقول 10؟ 10 10 أنا أعطيك easy أنا. زين سؤال ثاني. No easy. You have kids? You have kids?
No, it was not inside.
You have kids?
Yes, I do.
Okay. 50. Where's your kids? 2 kids? You just stay backside? Come, please. Come. I have a question for you, kids. You follow rules? You follow all rules? Sure? Yeah, now kids eat it for me now. MashaAllah. Yeah. I wait. I wait. Don't look at her, huh? Come this side. Hi, salam alaikum. What's your name?
Anabia.
And you?
Mysura.
Maysura, I give you gift like Abdullah now. If you answer to me, real question. Have someday your father make some fine, any fine? I give you gift.
No. Yeah.
See? What this fine he make?
He didn't make fine.
Before you make fine, you look at her. He didn't make any fine. You tell for me. Your father, he didn't make any traffic fine.
Not traffic. Not traffic, but in COVID, he came late home, so he get fined.
Why you came late home? Where is your wife? This guy. Khalas, I give for you kids. I don't open book. Khalas. Thank you. It's problem in COVID. Okay. You last guy with us, okay? In this train, what you understand for Major Ahmed and me about this few minutes about warning for Abu Dhabi Police Traffic Department? Tell me what you understand.
Yeah, we are.
Explain for him.
Yeah, we are explain. Actually, you are explain to him for all the people. So it's the better you have to use for the safety driving. So didn't use for like child go to the front side area, while sitting for the back side, and don't use for the high speed, and phone also didn't use for the phone, and also you explained to him for the child didn't play for the outside area in the road and the street area.
And for this guy, don't late for home. Thank you.
زين. Thank you for all.
ये फेसबुक
Can you help me to give, you see this message? Can you help me to give all people this message? You can't help me? To all people know what this message I speak today? Okay, you can help me? Thank you for all. Thank you.